With any engine, consumers want the luxury of a quiet idle and the thrill of muscle when accelerating. We are proud to show you how the MFS 75 through 115 shines during both. The MFS 75 through 115 are the quietest when idling. Once the torque starts to increase at 3,300 RPM, the noise level peaks. TOHATSU's quiet idle has been accomplished through a unique maze-like structure within the exhaust flow that dampens engine noise and allows for such an incredible low idle level. Consumers will love the quiet idle and exhilarating sound of accelerating on the new MFS 75 through 115. In our next segment, we will touch on TOHATSU innovations that outmaneuver the competition.